But the dog is with me here, so it's all about being careful for her. For me, well, of course, it's safety first, right? Let's see if we can get some water. I was thinking about my way across. Not right there. I'm thinking up there. Let's see what I got. Okay, come on, Luna. Oh, wait. Ooh, hello. We're in the fall. Go across here. Yeah, I had to go through the water a little bit. Shoes got a little wet. Dog's a little wet, but we're okay. Better off. We're gonna go swimming. That's the key. This is what the wind can do when it's really strong. It literally blew this tree in half. This tree is not dead. It's alive. Look at that though. Blew it in half.